Are you looking for the perfect robot vacuum for your home, but can't decide which one to choose? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you the top 5 best robot vacuums: reliable, powerful suction, smart mapping, and packed with modern technology. Without wasting any time, watch the video till the end and find out which robot vacuum is the best fit for your home. Let's get started. Item number 5. Meet the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, a smart cleaning solution for homes with pets. Featuring matrix clean navigation and 360-degree LiDAR mapping, it ensures no spot is missed. Its self-emptying XL base holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris, while the self-cleaning brush roll tackles hair, dirt, and debris on carpets and hard floors. Control it hands-free via voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant, or use the app. With powerful suction, obstacle avoidance, and 120 minutes runtime, this vacuum adapts to your home for efficient, deep cleaning every day. Perfect for busy households, it saves you time while keeping your home spotless. Item number 4. Meet the iRobot Roomba 105 Robot Vacuum, designed for effortless cleaning on carpets and hard floors. With 70x more power-lifting suction, it devours dirt, dust, and pet hair, while the 3-stage cleaning system ensures a deep, thorough clean. Equipped with LiDAR navigation and smart mapping, it avoids obstacles and prevents falls. Control your Roomba easily via app, voice assistant, or buttons, and schedule targeted cleaning for specific rooms. With spot cleaning, eco mode, and 200 minutes runtime with recharge and resume, this robot vacuum makes home cleaning efficient, convenient, and worry-free every day. Item number 3. Meet the eufy 11S Max Robot Vacuum, a super thin and quiet cleaning companion for hard floors and medium pile carpets. With a slim 2.85-inch profile, it reaches under furniture while operating at low noise levels. Its Boost IQ technology adapts suction power in 1.5 seconds for optimal cleaning on any surface. Equipped with infrared sensors and drop protection, it avoids obstacles and stays safe while self-charging. The single-side brush design ensures full suction without scattering dirt. With 100 minutes runtime and a 600 milliliter dust bin, this vacuum delivers efficient, hassle-free cleaning using the remote control. Item number 2. Meet the MAM-NV BR151 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a 2-in-1 cleaning solution for hard floors, low-pile carpets, and pet hair. With 2300 PA strong suction and a wet mop function, it removes dust, dirt, and debris efficiently. Its slim 2.87-inch design and intelligent 3D obstacle avoidance help it reach every corner safely. Control it via app, voice commands, remote, or touch, and set custom cleaning schedules. Featuring 100 minutes runtime, self-charging, and multiple cleaning modes, this robot vacuum delivers thorough, hassle-free cleaning while keeping your home spotless every day. Item number 1. Meet the Shark AV753 Ion Robot Vacuum, a powerful cleaning solution for carpets and hard floors. Its tri-brush system combines side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll to remove debris efficiently. With intelligent cliff sensors, it avoids stairs, walls, and furniture. Control your robot easily via the Shark Clean app or voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. Boasting 120 minutes runtime, it delivers whole home cleaning on all surfaces. The package includes the Shark Ion Robot, charging dock, 2 side brushes, and a filter, offering convenient, reliable, and ultra-powerful cleaning for your home every day. Which of these robot vacuum is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.